Well, good morning, everyone. The current time now is 1:57, and this is Southern Valley and Southern Valley Weather Desk. I am your storm tracker and, of course, storm analyzer, Steve Cooper. And currently, we are dealing with a lot of severe weather, not only from the Gulf Coast and the southeast parts of Georgia, but also we're dealing with severe weather in closer to Tennessee now. And I'm going to give you an update on that very shortly. All right, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on here with the latest severe weather track and kind of give you some updates on what is going on here with the latest radar picture. Now, this just out a few minutes ago by the National Weather Service. Notice that was talked about the warm front earlier, and as you can see, here's that long line of showers with some embedded thunderstorms starting to build here, and I was talking about this a little earlier that it would be near 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time that we would see some activity start picking up actually, and we're already starting to see that right now. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and pause this here. There is a severe thunderstorm warning, and this is for northeastern Alabama currently. Here's a look at the severe thunderstorm warning near Littleville, and it looks like it's going to be heading into Leeton here in the next hour or so. Now, there is a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Colbert County and northwestern Alabama and eastern Franklin County and northwestern Alabama. This is until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time. Now, keep in mind, these storms have had a history of producing tornadoes yesterday over in Louisiana and Alabama, and they started out this little and they just grew like crazy. So we need to watch out for storms here. As through 1 a.m., there is a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Colbert County and eastern Franklin County and northwestern Alabama. The good news is there at Colbert is this storm is about to move through pretty quick. It's going about 50 miles per hour, so but you might want to think about if you're in Phil Campbell, Littleville, Spring Valley, Spruce, or even near Pine, or let's say Newburgh, Pleasant Ridge, Tharpton, and Isabel. You may want to be ready for this storm as these storms continue to move off to the east at about 50 miles per hour, and some of these storms move off to the northeast at about 50 miles per hour. So showers and thunderstorms have developed here along this line, and there was a severe thunderstorm warning a few minutes ago that did expire. However, I am expecting more warnings to be issued as this line gets closer to Tennessee and also for northeast Alabama, and I wouldn't even be surprised to see a tornado watch issued as well. All right, let's go and take a look and see what's going on with the latest Storm Prediction Center forecast here. And let me go ahead and point this out real quick. There is a tornado watch for Macon County southward, Macon County, Georgia southward. However, as we go ahead and view the latest risk areas. There you see the tornado watch over in Georgia. Now, I wouldn't be surprised to see that tornado watch extended into northern Georgia here in the next few hours as storms continue to push its way across. But there is a flash flood watch for southeast Tennessee and northwest Georgia as well, and that is a flash flood watch. Now, here's a look at the latest threats that we're expecting tonight. The Storm Prediction Center through this morning has continued to put out a marginal risk of severe weather for northern Georgia and southern Tennessee. We're still in that 2% tornado risk, along with some damaging winds. Can roll out some hail, but the better chances of seeing those severe storms with possible tornadoes is going to be down across Alabama, Mississippi, and maybe entering into central parts of Georgia as we go over the next couple of hours. However, still nonetheless, some of these storms may touch the Tennessee Valley and also northern Georgia. So be sure and have that no weather radio tuned up and in the learning mode and running. And let's make sure that we try to keep one another safe. So from the Severe Weather Center of Southern Valley Weather Desk, I'm Steve Cooper.